Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you all are good. In previous class, we have done how we can make letter A and letter B. How we can make letter A and letter B. Now, today we are going to learn how we can make letter C. Letter C. So, chaliye, let's see. After A apple, B ball, our letter comes C cat. C cat. Now we are doing C cat. चलिए, let's see. C cat. C cat. K is phonic sound of C. तो बोलिए kids, C cat. C cat. C cat. C cup. C cup. C carrot. C carrot. Very good. Now, can you tell me? Very good, very good. Which letter is this? C cake. C cake. Wow. Now, can you tell me which letter is this?
Letter C.
Very good. C cap. C cap. And now, again, can you tell me which letter is this?
Letter C.
Very good. C car. C car. C car. चलिए, C cat. C cup. C carrot. C cake. C cap. C car. C candle. Okay. तो चलिए, now it's time to write letter C. How we can make letter C? It's time to make formation of letter C. तो चलिए, make a left curve. Make a left curve. Very good. Simply make letter C. Now, make left curve and half circle. Half circle. This is formation of letter C. Is it easy? Wow. Is it very easy? Chaliye kids, do practice with me. How we can make letter C? Make a half circle. Don't join it, okay? Now again, make a left curve. C cat. C cup. This is our letter C. तो चलिए एक बार हम रिवीजन करेंगे. A to C. How can we make a apple? Make a slanting line. And again make a slanting line on another side. And now make a sleeping line. This is our letter A apple. And now our letter B. After A, our letter comes letter B ball. चलिए make a standing line and now make a small right curve and again make a small right curve. This is our letter B ball. And now this is our letter C. How can we make letter C? Can you tell me? Make a left curve. Very good. This is our letter C. So chaliye kids, let's see some flashcards. This is our letter A apple. A apple. B ball. B ball. C cat. C cat. Now, I hope you all are enjoying these videos. Now, let's practice and happy learning. Thanks. Bye bye.